Birds inhabit a world bursting with colors beyond the grasp of human perception. While humans possess 3 types of color receptors in their eyes, birds have an additional 4th type, giving them tetrachromatic vision. This extra receptor allows birds to see ultraviolet, UV, light, enhancing their ability to detect a broader spectrum of colors. For instance, while a flower might appear yellow to us, a bird might see intricate UV patterns that guide them to nectar. This ability is crucial for survival, aiding in foraging, mate selection, and predator avoidance. Many bird species display plumage that appears ordinary to humans, but reveals vibrant UV patterns visible to other birds. This UV perception plays a significant role in courtship, where males often flaunt their UV reflective feathers to attract potential mates. Moreover, birds use their acute color vision to distinguish ripe fruits and identify insects camouflaged against foliage. The avian visual system's complexity highlights the remarkable adaptations that have evolved to suit their ecological needs. Birds' unique vision not only enriches their interaction with the environment, but also offers valuable insights into the evolutionary biology of sight. Like and subscribe.